In this video, I'm going to kind of just go over these drop-down menu items under File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, and Help. I'm just going to kind of briefly go over them so you know what's where. You know what's underneath each of these drop-down menus. Because once you get an introduction as to what's there, then you kind of know, oh, hey, I know to go and do that. Print this document or move to trash because I don't want this document anymore. So let's do that real quick. And then I'm also going to go over these icons in the taskbar real fast as well. All right, let's get to it. So whenever you have a Google Doc open, just like this, under File, you can create a new document if you want, maybe from the template gallery. You can open a document that's either on your drive, the Google Drive, or on your computer. You can make a copy of this document. Suppose in this case you have to send out multiple invoices. Well, this is done. Let's make a copy of it and change the client name and address and email and dollar amount and the work description. You can share this document with others. You can also publish it on the web. You can email this document to yourself. You can download it in many different formats to your computer. Very cool. You can rename this document. You can move the document to a different folder. You could add a shortcut to the drive. That's kind of nice. Hey, we don't need this document anymore. I'm going to move it to the trash. Get rid of it. Delete it. Version history. You can check that out. Details of this document. Helpful if you need it. Language. Pick it. Which one do you want? Page setup. This lets you change the dimensions of the page, the margins in the document, etc. All very helpful. And then, of course, you can print this document. Pretty good. Under Edit, you got the Undo, Redo, Cut, Copy, Paste. Select all the entire document so you can cut, copy, paste, or whatever you want to do. You can delete what you highlighted. So if we highlighted all that, you can delete it or just hit the delete key. You can find and replace. And what I'm going to do in some of the upcoming videos is I'm going to take each one of these individual tasks and do a video about it. So you know, oh, how do you find and replace? What's all involved with that? Those are in the upcoming videos. This is just an overview. So view, you can view which mode you're in. Editing, which is the standard. Suggesting, viewing. You can show the print layout or the ruler or the outline. The equation toolbar. You can go full screen. Under insert, you can insert an image from your computer or from the web or from the drive by a URL or a camera. You can insert a table. You can draw. You can insert a chart. You can insert a horizontal line, emojis, smart clips, drop downs, footnotes, building blocks, special characters. This is where you can insert dots, boxes, and checks. Equation, watermark, headers and footers. Here's where you can edit the header and the footer. Page numbers. Where do you want the page numbers to appear? Top, bottom, left, right. Break, page breaks. You can insert a link, a comment, emoji reaction. You can insert a bookmark. This is pretty cool. I'm going to show you about that later. Table of contents if you want. Under format, we've got text, bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, size, capitalization, lowercase, upper, title case. We've got paragraph styles. We've got align and indent, line and paragraph spacing, columns, bullets and numbering, headers and footers, page numbers. How do we want them to look? Page orientation, and a few other things. And of course, we can clear all the formatting. Hey, get rid of the bolds and the underlines. Get rid of it. Under tools, we've got spelling, word count. You won't go in here too often like the others. You will, file, edit, view, insert. You can check out the line numbers, explore, dictionary, translate, voice typing. This is cool. Voice typing. Notification settings, preferences, accessibility. Here's where you can pick up additional extensions to help increase the efficiency of using Google Documents and help when you need it. Search for it, help guides, all kinds of stuff. Keyboard shortcuts. That kind of sums up an overview of the file and edit, view, insert, format, tools, extensions, and help drop-down menu items. Real quick, here's the undo icon or the redo, print, spelling and grammar, paint format if you want it. Here's where you can zoom in or zoom out of the Google document, real small or real large. What kind of text do you want? What kind of format? How about the font? A lot of good fonts here. And you can add fonts. Google lets you add fonts to this choice of selection. What size do you want your font to be? Bold, italic, underline, text color, and text highlight. So that's text highlight, and that's text color. And you can insert a link. You can add a comment, insert an image. Here's your alignment, center, left, right, justify. Here's your line spacing, different options there. Add a space before or after a paragraph, custom spacing, and other options. You've got your bullets right here, checklists, bullets, numbered list. Here's the bullets, checklists, a lot of good options there. And then you've got the left or decrease indent and then increase indent to the right. And then you've got clear all formatting. And then over here, you can have this quick view of editing or suggesting or viewing what is it that you want to do with your document. And then, of course, you've got things like last edited in the last 21 minutes, open the comment history, join a call here, and present this tab to the call. You can also share this document with others via an email address, just by adding their names there. Or you can copy this link and send it to somebody via text or email. Doesn't matter. And of course, you've got star, which basically just stars this document. It added a star right here. Or you could take it away. And that star just helps identify, oh, that was something I was working on. Just a little identifier. And this is very cool. This lets you move this document into a folder, whether that folder is one that you want or a new folder on the drive. It's all up to you. And then status. This is the status of the document, such as it's been saved, all changes saved to the drive, etc. Well, hey, that concludes this video on just a little overview of these items right here in the drop-down menus and, of course, the icons that you see across the top menu bar. All right, well, let's now get into the other videos in this playlist where I go over some of these individually and kind of give you a more elaborate view of, hey, what is it like to email or download this document to your computer or move it to the trash? Or how about page setup? Do I want this to be the whole document? What do I want? Landscape or portrait? What size? How about the margins? I'll be going into all of that in the upcoming videos in this series on Google Docs. Come on, let's check them out.